Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.